Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making donuts, and because I wasn't able to post any videos yesterday, I'm going to be telling you 3 recipes today. And if you want to know them, subscribe and turn the bell icon on. For this recipe, we are going to be needing 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of castor sugar, 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of melted butter because it gives you proper accuracy, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, a pinch of salt or half teaspoon, and half cup of lukewarm milk. Okay, I'm gonna start by mixing all our dry ingredients in. So that's the salt and our instant yeast. Okay, and then I'm gonna sift our powdered milk and castor sugar. Because there are a lot of these lumps, I'm just going to use my hand and smooth them out. Okay. And then I'm just going to whisk these all together. Okay. Now I'm going to add in 1 egg. And I'm going to put it in the mixer. Is like breadcrumbs. I'm going to turn the mixer off and add in our milk and melted butter. Okay, I'm just going to add in half of our milk right now. And I'm going to turn the mixer on again. Okay, so while this is mixing, I'm just going to add in some milk. And there, that's the rest of the milk done. Now I'm just going to let this mix until it comes into a dough-like consistency. The dough has started to come together. I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to take the dough out. This dough is really soft right now. I want the dough to be soft so that the donuts will also be soft and fluffy. Right. I'm just going to lightly knead this. Was needed. I made this into a ball, and now we're going to be putting this into the ball we mixed it in. I'm just going to slightly pour some oil in it so the dough doesn't stick to the bottom. And with the oil on my hand, I'm just going to rub it on top of the dough. I'm going to put this inside. I'm going to cover this with a cotton cloth and put this in sunlight for around 1 hour. Start rolling. I'm going to cut this in half. I'm just going to put some flour on the surface, and let's start rolling this out. Okay, maybe some more flour. Just from the side. Okay, and just flip this over again. Okay, how we're gonna cut these is I'm using the top of a glass, but you can use a cookie cutter or a donut cutter if you have one. Okay. So after cutting that, I am taking this smaller cutter and just putting in the middle and pushing through. Okay. I'm going to do this with the rest of my dough. And using these smaller ones, you can make munchkins as well. And those are really good. To not waste any dough as well. So I'm going to do this with the rest of my dough, and I'll see you when they're all done. What I have done here is that I made the bigger ones, and then I made the smaller ones. But then I had an idea. Why not make smaller ones? Because when you're at the table, people normally end up wasting them. So what I did was, after cutting it with this glass and after cutting it with this cutter, I got this lid and I started cutting it with them. So I got mini munchkins as well. And using the smaller munchkins, which I told you, I made smaller donuts like this. Looks so cute. Okay, so the hole here, separate it. Another hole, it's in this. Then there you have it. Big donut, smaller donut, mini munchkin. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them on the parchment paper, and I'm going to let these rise for around 10 to 15 minutes. They've been rising for 1 hour, and let's take a look at them. Whoa,
Yum.
look really fluffy. Wow. Okay, I'm just going to take this tray here. I have some oil preheating over here. I'm just gonna pick one up. I'm going to put it into oil.
All of them are like,
Ooh.
ooh, it's already getting that.
Start to see that's already becoming fluffed up. Just gonna flip this, and you can see the golden brown color that's already coming. So I'm just gonna fry this and the rest of them, and I'll see you then. So these are the second biggest donuts. All of the big ones are done. Normal sized ones. And there it is. Okay, now I'm gonna let this batch fry, and then I'll do the mini munchkins. All the donuts are fried. They are so many. We're gonna be making the topping. So we're making whipped cream. We are using this packet of whipped cream by Greens. Okay, so you can put the whole packet in. Smells so good. Okay, and then the milk.
It kind of smells like cotton candy.
This is half cup of milk. And while he's taking that out, I'm going to add in. Be careful. Okie dokie. I'm gonna open this vanilla extract bottle. I'm gonna add in half teaspoon of vanilla extract into this. Oops. Okay, I guess that is it. Now that's done. I'm gonna put it in the mixer. Let this mix until it's nice and foamy. Cream is nice and fluffy. I'm gonna turn the mixer off, and you can see that it has this nice soft peak. Okay, what we're gonna do is now we're gonna be frosting our donuts. I have made this frosting separately as well, and I'll put the link in the description below to the recipe. Okay, I'm gonna start by frosting these.
I'm gonna do
Stick
half
it in.
of them in the glaze one.
Whoa, looks beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna do the next one in whipped cream.
Oh. Can I do one?
Sure. Slightly dip it in. Whoa.
Too light.
Okay, now I'm gonna dip this one into the whipped cream. Whoa, that looks
Ooh,
cool.
yeah.
It looks like vanilla frosting, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna do this with the rest of my donuts, and I'll see when they're all done.
Yeah.
These donuts are frosted. I'm gonna be putting some sprinkles on top of them. Lightly, because it's already too much sugar. We don't want too many. Okay, I'm just going to do this one.
They look good.
I know, right?
It's like, it's better. When I tasted it,
Okay,
the other
okay, now I'm
donuts,
just gonna put
it was
some.
like better. Like it's square time. Now, like this, if you make these things at home, like, and I'll say, yeah, you won't like be like, I miss Dunkin' Donuts.
Okay,
This is really good.
there you have it.
Tastes better
Your
than-
sprinkles, donuts. Okay, you know. Okay, never mind. You have your donuts ready. They look great, honestly. And I really do like this recipe, and I will make these again. And if you like this recipe too, please tell me in the comments down below, and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye.